Hey everyone, Adrienne Everhart here. I just wanted to take a quick second and make you a little video from my car. I've got my doggies with me and we're about to head out to the park. There they are, being good boys. Oh, yes they are. Being so good. And waiting on mommy to make a quick video before we head out to the park. So today I want to talk about your feminine vibe. This is your feminine energy. Now, feminine energy is a very, very magical thing because everyone can feel it and sense it and actually respond to it. And I mostly work with women who come to me who say, I want to figure out how to improve my relationship. I want to figure out how to make this work with a man again. And I start talking about vibe and they're a little clueless. They haven't really practiced their vibe or studied on vibe in quite a while. So I'm going to give you a quick tip today that's going to help you with your feminine vibe, okay? Now, before I do, if you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe. This way, I can show up in your inbox, you'll get more videos from me, but also you'll be helping other women find me so that they can get help. Now, how did you find me? Who knows? But I somehow found my way onto your screen, and here we are. I don't really believe in accidents in the universe, but more than that, I believe that, we find each other for certain reasons in our lives. So here I am. Help me spread this wonderful message and help other women just like yourself improve their relationships forever and change it. Change how we treat other women in our life, change how we treat the men in our life. So I'm going to talk a little bit about your feminine energy and what you can do to instantly start softening your vibe. So we're going to work on your face. And the first thing I want you to do is think about your forehead. And when you are thinking and trying to solve a problem, you're here. You're like, you're thinking, and you're in your boy energy. You're using your thoughts to think and work through something. So instead, I want you to allow this area to soften. Just allow it to gently soften. Good. Slow it down. Feminine energy is slow, soft energy. Now, the next thing I want you to do is think about your mouth. So often we hear of something called RBF, which is called resting face. I don't like that word in the center, so I'm not going to say it. So resting B-word face, and it's because so many women walk around, just in this. And they're thinking, they're up in their head and they're thinking and they're solving all sorts of emotional problems. They're trying to figure out what to have dinner later tonight. When are they going to go to the grocery store? How are they going to get it all done? And so that's why we're wearing that emotion on our face. Something that used to get said to me was my ex-husband used to say, "Are you happy?" And I would say, "Yeah, I'm happy." And he said, "Well, someone should tell your face." So this is where I want you to soften the forehead, think about the mouth, and allow it to turn up at the corners. Just allow it to turn up and rest. And allow your face muscles to just relax. Even though you're turning up the corners of your mouth, you're allowing the forehead between the brows to relax. See how that feels for a second. Good. Now, how do you feel right now? Do you feel softer and lighter? You want to talk a little slower? You want to slow it down? So this is the energy that makes you so appealing and alluring to men and really everyone. That soft feminine energy. And everyone around you can feel it. They really can. So when you walk in a room and you have that soft energy, or your man comes home from work and he feels that softness to you, even if you've had a miserable day, you can soften your face. So in psychology, it's been shown that you can actually they studied depressed people And depressed people can actually be tricked into, into feeling a little bit better simply by forcing a smile. So they got people to smile for like several minutes. And when you flex these muscles in your cheek, something actually happens that sends a message to your brain to release feel-good hormones. And of course, you start to naturally feel better. So you can actually bring on happiness. You can encourage happiness. And that will, of course, affect your vibe. So I hope this has been really beneficial to you all. I love helping you all. Please take a moment to like my video and be sure to subscribe. I also want to tell you about programs that I have that every day I'm getting emails from women. It's so exciting, telling me that I'm fixing their relationship. And this is through a recorded program. I have 2 of them. They're ABCs to get him back. It's over at my website, everheartcoaching.com/ABC get him back. ABC stands for absolute best chances. So I am so happy. I wish I would have had this program way back in the day. I'd still be married to my first husband probably, but here I am. So I'm here to tell you how to have the absolute best chances to turning things around with your man. Whether you're married or you're just dating, you're just trying to figure it out, or you've been in a relationship for a long time, this method works no matter where you're at. So I'm so excited that I have it. Once upon a time, I bought everything that was out there, every get him back gimmick and technique and program and manipulative book. I mean, I read them all. I absorbed it like a sponge. I was gonna crack that nut. I was gonna figure it out. I landed right on my face. I landed right on my face with it. I learned some good things, and the good things that I did learn, I teach you. But I teach you how to do them from a different perspective than how most of the guys out there are writing this stuff. Okay, they're writing it from the male perspective. And I'm here to teach you how to be a woman, you know, from the female perspective. That's what a man falls in love with. He doesn't fall in love with your mind. He falls in love with your feminine essence. He doesn't fall in love with you because you're an incredibly successful businesswoman. He falls in love with you because you cry at commercials and you're soft and you want to cuddle up with him and his arms feel warm and safe to you. So please do check out my programs. They're at Love Academy, which is on my website, everheartcoaching.com. All right, thank you everybody for listening, and let me know how relaxing those face muscles feel to you. And if you try them out when your guy comes home or when you go out for a coffee or whatever, you try them out, you get some positive results, please mention them in the comment section. I love to hear about how you use these tools in your life. And much love to you, beautiful. Mwah. Have a great day. Bye-bye.